My new channel. Welcome to my new channel called Fidget Spinner Games. No, it's not called Fidget Spinner Games. It is called Basketball Games. It is not called Basketball Games. Look at my channel name. You'll see how it is. I'm gonna split. It's not gonna tell you.
Hey, I'll say hi.
Welcome to my new channel. It is called Donald Duck Games. And basically we're just gonna play Minecraft, Planet, Rocket League, and vlog. And make crazy thumbnails. I don't know what thumbnails are. I see people saying thumbnails. So hello. We are not playing Minecraft today. We'll play later. Crazy. She hit me in privates. She hit me into privates. She legit hit me. Doink! Oh.
Hey, can we go outside? Please, what?
Maybe in the next video. Right now we're just gonna
Stay in.
Today we're just gonna juke Emma like a boss. I don't know what show we're watching. What show? She's terrible.
This is gonna be all
Terrible.
terrible.
I'll give you a little house tour
And I
in the
have a
next
fidget
video.
spinner. And I have a fidget spinner.
So this is the end of my channel. Just like, subscribe, smash, kiss that like button.
No, smash the face in the like button.
No, just kiss it. Just kiss it.
No,
Okay, bye,
smash
guys.
your face.
I mean,
no,
bye.
smash your face in the
No, I'm
like
not saying
button.
bye, guys.
Smash your face in the like button.
So bye.